In this do-it-yourself video, we will demonstrate how to install a new ISOCS-LABSOCS characterization file using Apex Gamma. Double-click on the Apex Gamma shortcut icon. We will now log on as administrator to the facility. Here we use Facility C for our facility name, which currently shows no available detectors in the Apex Gamma main view. You will use your facility name here. Next, we will click on the Setup View icon and then select the Detectors tab. For this demonstration, we will assume that a new MCA input definition file was recently created for detector serial number 10541, and we must now click on the Refresh Nodes Action button to add that new detector to the Remote Detectors list box, as shown here. Next, highlight your detector name entry in the Remote Detectors list box, and then click on the double right caret action button to add that entry to the Available Detectors list box. Here, we will use the detector named DET10541. Next, we will highlight the DET10541 entry in the Available Detectors list box, and then click on the Edit Action button to display the Edit Detector Parameters dialog window. If we click on the drop-down arrow for the Detector Characterization field, we will see that the current list of available selections does not yet include an entry for our new 10541 detector. We will now click on the Install New Detector Action button. This will launch the DET-UTIL.exe utility program from within Apex Gamma. Next, click on the Browse Action button and navigate as necessary to the location of your detector characterization file, which may be on your CD or copied locally. Double-click on the file named detector.txt in the Input File dialog window. The selected file path and file name will then appear in the Input File field shown in the DET-UTIL dialog window. Next, click on the Update Action button. Before updating any files, the utility program will display a Backup Option dialog window to allow creation of a backup copy of the file named detector.txt that is currently stored in the following folder. For this demonstration, we will respond by clicking on the No Action button. Assuming that a file named 10541.par is present in the same folder location that we selected for our detector.txt input file, the selection dialog window will be displayed as shown here. We will continue by clicking on the OK Action button. A detector update report will then be displayed. We can use the vertical scroll bar to scroll to the end of this report. The new detector named 10541 will appear as the last of the listed detectors. To confirm our desired update, we will click on the Accept Update Action button. A message window will then be displayed, stating that the update is complete. Click on the OK Action button to acknowledge this message. We can then click on the Exit Action button in the DET-UTIL dialog window to exit from the utility program. Following the update performed by the utility program, the detector.txt file in the folder here will now include the required information for detector 10541. In addition, the associated ISOCS-LABSOCS characterization file, named 10541.par, will now be present in the folder here. To continue this demonstration, we will click on the drop-down arrow for the detector characterization field in the Edit Detector Parameters dialog window. An entry for the new 10541 detector now appears in the displayed selection list. Click on this entry to select 10541 in the detector characterization field as shown here. We will now click on the OK Action button in the Edit Detector Parameters dialog window. Finally, we will click on the Save Action button, and then click on the OK Action button to acknowledge the displayed message. At this point, we could log on to Facility C once again, launch Geometry Composer within Apex Gamma, and confirm that the modified detector.txt file and 10541.par file can be used to create and save a new geometry file. However, those additional confirmatory steps will not be demonstrated here. This concludes our video demonstration on how to install a new ISOCS-LABSOCS detector characterization file for use within Apex Gamma.
For further assistance, please call 1-800-255-6370.